So in Java, there's two types of typecasting. The typecasting basically is when you assign a value of one primitive data type to another type. Okay. Now, the first one is actually widening casting, which is done automatically in Java. So it's basically converting smaller type to a larger type size. Uh, Let me just try to give an example. Okay, the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to create another method, public void. Let's call this one as uh, widening casting. Okay, so at least you can just call it later. We have here int, my int. Okay, so I to put the value 10. Then we have double, my double equals to my int. Okay, then let's try to output system.out.println my int. System.out.println my double. So supposed to be the originally the data type of my int is integer, as you can see when we declared it here. But when we cast it into double, my int becomes actually my double. So whatever value is in my int will be assigned as the value of my double. So supposed to be this one will become 10.0. Okay, so let's try to build first the code. I'm going to build this time. Okay, so it's done. Process is finished. Then let's try to run. Okay, so everything is actually okay. Then let's try to call it here. So main C is equals to new main. Okay, C dot widening casting. Okay, so to run. Okay, so we already have it here. Originally, this is the value, first value. This is the original value. And once we cast it into double, this becomes the value. So that's basically widening casting. Now, the second one is narrowing casting. So basically, narrowing casting must be done manually by placing the type in a parenthesis in front of the value. Okay, let's try to create another method again. Public void narrowing casting. Okay, so we have here double, my double. Okay, let's try to do this time the opposite. 10.78d int my int. Okay, now instead of actually doing something like this, we're going to cast it by putting it in a parenthesis, then int, then it becomes my double. So this is how we would narrow cast. Okay, sorry. This is how we would actually do a narrow casting in Java. We have int inside a parenthesis, then double. So let's try to output again. System.out.println my double. Then we have okay, double. Okay, system.out.println then my int. Okay, so this time to call ito, comment this first. See that narrowing casting. Okay, so from 10.78 it becomes 10. So basically the decimal places have been removed because it's now declared as an integer, and it's no longer declared as a double. So that's how you would narrow cast in Java. Okay, so if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so. And I would like to thank everyone who have already subscribed. And as long as you guys are willing to learn programming and technology-related topics, I won't stop making video tutorials and reviews. So please don't hesitate to click the subscribe button and the bell notification button so that you will be notified every time a new content is uploaded. Thank you guys.